Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Halo Mini on a 2017 Range Rover Velar, attempted attack, obviously no damage. So this is how the system works. As soon as I open the door, the system's already armed. So if I try and start it, it just says key not detected. Okay, so every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, open, get in, put his code in. So in here we've done something very basic. So 1212, get a flash, put on the brake, start the vehicle. Really simple, really straightforward. If the customer wants to take it for a service or take it for a car wash and put it in VALET mode, obviously the system's already disarmed. So main ignition on, insert the code, and then hold the last press for about 15 seconds, and you'll see we'll get 5 flashes. So if you watch carefully, there you go, 5 flashes. System is now in VALET mode, so it just means that the customer can just hand it over, doesn't have to disclose the code. So open the door, close the door, foot on the brake, vehicle just starts, okay, no problem at all. When the customer gets the vehicle back, main ignition on, insert the code, but again on the last press hold it down, wait for about 15 seconds, and you'll see we'll get visual confirmation that it's out of VALET mode, okay? If you keep watching carefully, there you go, jumped out of VALET mode. So if I turn off the ignition, open the door, system is armed, try and start it, just won't start, okay? Key not detected. So as I said, insert your code, got a flash, foot on the brake, start the vehicle, okay? If the customer wants to change the code, first of all the system has to be disarmed, in other words don't open the door. Main ignition on, tap the accelerator 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're now in learn mode. Insert your code 1, 2, 3, 1. Turn off the ignition in 10 seconds. Code is now learned. Okay. Open the door. Try and start it. Won't detect it. As I said, so insert your new code. 1, 2, 3. Tap. Get visual confirmation. Start the vehicle. Okay. As I said, this is the Halo Mini. If you want to get one of these fitted, my name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478. 028 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.